She want to take it to barber shop, but I said, you know what? Let me do it. You pay me the money that you pay to barber shop. I do the wig for you. So. Hello everybody, it's a very auntie from London. My name is Martina, but if you want, you can call me Tina Mire. So today what I'm going to be doing, basically I'm going to be cutting this wig. Now this one, have a look, okay. Well, you don't want to tell for people, okay. This one is our friend, and it's not actually mine, it's for my roommate. My roommate, her name is Tabat. So Tabat bought this wig on where do you buy it, Tabat? You buy this wig where?
On WeChat.
She bought it on WeChat. Now if you don't know what WeChat is, it's like WhatsApp but for young people. So this week we're going to be cutting it. She want to take it to barber shop, but I said she want to take it to barber shop, but I said, you know what? Let me do it. You pay me the money that you pay to barber shop. I do the wig for you. So we are going to do experiment. If we fail, we fail. If we pass, we pass. I think I've done this before, but this is not my wig. I'm a bit like, ooh, what if I mess up? It's hot in here. So initially when she bought wig, it's meant to be straight here, but when we buy it, not straight. So we use, well, she used it to tone a bit and make it a bit straight. So before we make sure that the wig is actually really straight, and right now I'm going to come through just so that it can be even more straight, okay. And because I don't know if, okay, I think you see properly. Let me try to turn it again. You see the wig is not too straight, like want it to be a bit blunt, right? You call it blunt, Bob? I think if you go to like salon or something to see how they do it, they probably don't do it like I do, because I'm not a professional, and I'll tell you something, to hair is not something that I'm not really big on, like when it comes to things like hair, makeup and whatnot. I don't know if you see, maybe, I don't know, but I hope you can see what I try to achieve here. Okay, so I cut a little bit from the side and I can see a little bit of a difference already, and I continue to do so even to the other side and to the back. Okay,
You guys, my roommate is filming a video.
and you're in my freaking face. You're in my video. You're like, my roommate is
It's nice.
Damn it, I think you need to jump out the window because okay, it's fine, it's okay, this is real life, guys. It's okay,
I'm sorry, Martina. I'm sorry.
it's okay. Anyway, yeah, ndipo ni gezura uzashtono lab. If it was my hair, I would probably like cut it all the way here so that it looks a bit fuller, but she doesn't want it too short, so I'll just cut it a little bit more, and then we're gonna see how that goes as well. So I've cut a bit more from, I think the British accent is my default accent. It even sometimes sometimes I forget and I'm thinking, girl, that's not how you talk. You need to go back to default settings. What we can do for this part, kutunga hapo.
Oh, so that pangine.
Yeah, like just compress it a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, otherwise I've cut it some more. You can see if you like it or you don't.
Perfect. You have names for your actors.
No, I don't. Should I? And I think it's Auntie Patel, right? You want to call me Auntie Patel? You can call me Auntie Patel. I don't mind. I just know Auntie from London. I mean, Beatrice usually likes to call me Auntie Rich Rich. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take it. But even the auntie from London doesn't have a name. She's just like Auntie from London, Auntie Rich Rich, but like with no name. So it is what it is. Stop it. My sister says it sounds pretentious. She's just a hater. Hater. Give me the toner. Let me try to do a little bit of magic. Yeah. This place is extremely noisy. So after oh, I forgot I do accent right. After I cut sorry Tabit, I disturb you. So after I cut the hair, but I asked Tabit, she says she think it's alright. So what I do, I just try to tone it a little bit, but also take note that again I said I'm not a professional hairstylist. I don't do this. So we do like the basic thing, no. So literally I thought I was recording this, but then it just turned out I wasn't, and I was talking to myself. You started?
Okay, I can do
Okay. I think if you compare from the way it started to what it is now, it's totally different. I think I tried, okay? So she said it was okay, she liked the length, and I just decided to like tone it a little bit. And here it is. I didn't do the front because I want her to try it on first and see how she likes it, see how it looks, and then we can modify it from there. And also I noticed like it has a little bit of a hump on here, so I think sewing it a little bit will help. Again, I'm not a professional hair person, but I think that would help. So thank you so much for watching. Anyway, it is what it is. It was just like for fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.